In the previous tutorial I showed you how to assign a sample to the keys in a chromatic scale, but there may be instances where you want to assign different samples to different keys and create what's known as a multi-sample. This is how drum kits are created for the FantomX, but also you might have different sound effects or something like that where you want to assign all the samples to be played with just the keyboards. So what you do in this case is go ahead and load up those samples into Sample RAM, press the sample list, and then go down here and select all of the samples that you wanted to load in. And then just mark those by using the mark set function here and toggling down to all those. And then go ahead and press the load utility, and this time instead of creating the rhythm set, we'd press to create the multi-sample, F3. And what you do here is you'd simply just name this an internal multi-sample and press F8 to write, and you could save this to any of the user location multi-samples in there. Once you did this, say you want to create a multi-sample, and then you're going to assign this to a keyboard, and we'll press F8 to exit here. And now if we exit out of this, we have that drum kit assigned to our multi-sample that's used for this patch.